Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the OXO Good Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush. I thought this would be a great thing to share with you guys because it's one of those products that's really inexpensive, but will make your life a whole lot better and easier. This cleaning brush only goes for $5 on Amazon, and it's definitely worth picking up. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. This cleaning brush comes with a tool on each end to clean your stuff, a soft bristle brush, and a slim silicone wiper. The soft bristle brush gently sweeps away dust and other small debris without scratching your electronics. The brush is retractable for easy storage, and it keeps the brush clean as well. It's shaved to a point, I guess you could say, and it's super useful, and you can get it into pretty hard to reach places. The other tool is just as useful in my opinion. The slim silicone wiper wipes away and grabs dirt from even more hard to reach places. The tip can get into really hard to reach places like your AirPods grill holes. It has a little cap that's super secure, and you can place it on the other end while you're using the silicone tip so you don't lose it. The body of the tool is a rubbery material which makes it comfortable to hold, and it makes it super grippy so that you have a good grip. What I mostly use this brush for is to clean my Apple AirPods. I use them daily and they get very dirty very quickly because of that. I can use the soft bristle brush to brush away dust and loose dirt off my AirPods and inside the AirPods case. Then, I use the silicone wiper to clean the grills of the AirPods because earwax gets stuck in there frequently, which is kind of gross. I actually have a video on how I clean my Apple AirPods and its charging case, so make sure to go check it out after watching this video, of course. You can click the card that appeared now, or click the link in the description. The possibilities are endless though, and you can clean a lot more things. You can clean your phone in places like the space in between your screen protector and case, your charging port, and headphone jack if you still even have one. Another thing that would greatly benefit from this cleaning brush are keyboards. Laptop keyboards especially are difficult to clean, and they can gather dust, crumbs, and other things over time. This cleaning brush offers a way to clean your electronics or any small items that are difficult to clean. You can also clean your watches, viewfinders on your cameras, remotes, peanut butter, sunglasses, and much more. Cleaning this brush is a very simple thing to do, and you're gonna have to clean it at some point if you use this brush a lot. So far, I just flick the bristle brush end until there is no more loose dust and debris that I can flick. I know, it's kinda funny when you think about it, but it works. If there's something more stubborn embedded inside, I would just run it under the sink with some water and let it dry. For the silicone wiper part, I just like to wipe it with my fingers. It's kind of gross, I know, but I wash my hands after, I assure you. If you don't want to do that, you can also moisten up a paper towel or napkin and use that to wipe the silicone wiper instead. Overall, the OXO Good Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush is a great tool. For just $5, I don't see why you wouldn't pick this up. Even if you don't have that much electronics, you can use this tool to clean a bunch of other stuff. I highly recommend this product whether you're a tech noob or a tech nerd. As always, I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. That was my review of the OXO Good Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush. I know this was a quick video, but if you found this useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, make sure to visit my social media links in the description and don't forget to follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!